Segmenting subscribers based on demographics is an essential aspect of marketing. By understanding the different characteristics and preferences of your target audience, you can create more targeted and effective marketing campaigns. In this tutorial, we will explore case studies and examples of successful demographic segmentation to help you gain insights into how it can be applied in real-life scenarios. A high-end luxury fashion brand used demographic segmentation to effectively reach their target audience. Through market research and data analysis, they identified their ideal customer profile as affluent individuals aged 25, 45, living in metropolitan areas. This demographic segment is interested in high-quality, exclusive fashion items. The brand crafted their marketing campaigns to reflect the lifestyles, aspirations, and values of this specific group. By understanding their desires, the brand successfully connected with their customers and increased sales. A smartphone manufacturer used demographic segmentation to tailor its messaging and product offerings to specific segments of the market. Through extensive market research, they identified three primary target segments: young tech-savvy professionals, families, and older adults seeking simplicity. The company developed different smartphone models and customized marketing materials for each segment, highlighting features and benefits that were most relevant to them. This approach resulted in increased brand loyalty and higher market share within each segment. A sports equipment retailer used demographic segmentation to identify the preferences and needs of different customer groups. Through data analysis, they discovered that their customers could be categorized into two key segments: fitness enthusiasts and professional athletes. The retailer then designed its marketing campaigns and inventory to cater to the unique needs of each group. For example, they promoted lightweight and durable equipment to fitness enthusiasts, while focusing on high-performance gear for professional athletes. As a result, the retailer achieved higher customer satisfaction and increased sales. A food delivery service successfully segmented its subscribers based on demographics to personalize their offerings and improve customer engagement. They utilized data analysis to identify four primary segments: students, young professionals, families, and elderly individuals. Each segment had specific preferences and requirements for food delivery services. The company tailored its menu options, delivery times, and pricing to match the needs of each group. For instance, they offered discounts during lunch hours for students and young professionals, while providing family meal bundles for families. This targeted approach led to higher customer retention and increased orders. A travel agency employed demographic segmentation to create personalized travel experiences for different customer groups. Through surveys and customer feedback, they identified three main segments: adventure travelers, luxury travelers, and families. The agency then curated travel packages and itineraries that catered to the unique preferences and interests of each group. Adventure travelers were offered challenging outdoor activities. Luxury travelers received exclusive accommodations and experiences, and families were provided with family-friendly accommodations and attractions. This targeted approach increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. By analyzing these case studies and examples, you can gain valuable insights into how successful companies have effectively used demographic segmentation to understand their audience better and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. Applying these principles to your own business can help you achieve better results in reaching and engaging with your target customers.